Hello traders, and welcome to today's video. Let me start by appreciating everyone who has subscribed to my channel, and for all those who watch my videos, I really appreciate. Okay, so today I want us to do a live trading. Someone asked me if I can do live trading, but it's so difficult because I have not reached the threshold that is required by YouTube, and the only way you will enable me to start doing live trading, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, comment on my videos. If you have a question or anything that you have to say, make sure you give the videos a like, and by so doing, by the time we get to 1,000 subscribers, we will be able to go live. Okay, push me to 1,000 subscribers and we will start doing live analysis a day before or hours before the market plays out, so that it doesn't look like I'm just giving you signals. I don't do that. Even in my mentorship, I don't give people signals. We analyze the market. If the market comes our way, we take the trade. If it doesn't, we accept it was a bad day. Okay, so to analyze the market, I will start from the daily time frame, and the first thing to do is to map out the most recent breakout structure, and also I will map out where the market reacted from. Scaling down to 4 hours, as you can see, everything has changed. The market looks at least a bit visible. For some reasons, I want to use this gun box to draw my order block, and it has some writings which I'm trying to erase so that I'm able to use it. Let's see if it will work. The reason I want to use this gun box is because I realize my order block tool is not working. It's still not working. Oh my god, let's delete this and refresh again so that we see if the order block tool will work or not. Jesus. Okay, let me go back to my tool that I've been using since ages and see if it's good. So this is what I used to do to draw my order blocks, and that's where the market reacted from. Okay, so I'm already in this GJ trade. I took it from down there. I've been holding it since last week, and we are still pushing. So we are looking for a re-entry on Gbpjpy, and if you go back to the daily time frame, you'll notice that the opening candle, the daily candle, opened when it's bearish, and yes, the market is bullish, but the opening candle is bearish, and the bearish momentum is a bit high. Okay, meaning that there are chances that market will just push downwards, or the market will sell fast before it buys. It's called a correctional move. Okay, so in the morning I was when the market opened in the morning, I was in a buy, and I had actually set a pending order. So the market tapped me in, went reached somewhere, and reversed. So I didn't manage to break even. So the market took me out at some loss, and it's normal. It's very normal in the market. So that's why we are looking for a re-entry to see if we can still catch the move. If we don't see any entry, we call it a day, or we focus on other pairs. Let me know which pairs you trade in Forex, if you do Forex or whatever you do. And also tell me how many pairs you trade. Actually, just tell me how many pairs you trade or which pairs you do trade. And if also you don't have specific pairs that you trade, you can also tell us. So as you can see, the market, this is where I took the trade from, right where I am. I took the trade from the order block below, and this was analysis for not last week but last week but one. So for me, I can take days without trading, just waiting for the market to tap my point of interest. So I analyzed the market last week but one. The market tapped me in last week, and you can see it's still pushing up. Okay, whatever the sell we are seeing, that's a correction or move, and I'm expecting the market to tap me in again and we push up to TP. If it doesn't, of course we accept, right? So I want to show you something. It's so difficult to see all these order blocks when the market is actually playing out immediately. But when you're analyzing the market after it has already played out, they are very visible. And it's just the market doing its thing, right? Just look at this. That was the order block. The market came, tapped the order block. This is another order block. The market, this is another break of structure. Market came and tapped that origin that caused the order block that caused the break of structure. From the look, by now you can tell that we had so many chances to jump into the market. We had so many chances to add those positions, but believe you me, it's never that easy. Right now the positions are visible because the market has already played out, and you are analyzing the market that is previous. Wait until you land into the current market. That's when you see blue and black. So this is the order block that I'm focusing on, and I will go down to the next order block, the next time frame. Let me check backwards to see if there is anywhere the market may want to clear me out as liquidity before it taps in. My mouse is kind of laggish. Good. So this was the last order block to the downside. We are on 30 minutes. Here we got a change of character, and I'm going to map out the origin that caused that change of character. Okay, so the reason you can see I'm pushing my my setup to the farthest order block is because I prefer taking my trades from the farthest order block just to avoid a big stop loss, and also to be on the safe side, right? Remember, this is your money, this is your capital, and you don't joke with it, not unless you have too much capital to play around with. And also, even if you had that much capital, there's no way you can be playing out with your live money. It's not right. And also, it's not healthy as a trader. So at 15 minutes, this is what we have. You guys are so good at asking me questions on Instagram. I don't know why, but for some reasons that you like it when you ask me questions on Instagram. How can you leave the video on YouTube? You see a short video on Instagram and you're so comfortable asking me there. Does it mean you guys spend much time on Instagram than YouTube? Okay, I appreciate in whichever corner or whichever social media platform you do reach me out on, but I would like it if you watch a video on YouTube, leave the comment there on that video on that YouTube video, so that it becomes so easy for me to respond to you. And for those who have been asking me questions, I'm very sure you can attest that I respond to each and every video, right? So for today, this is where I am expecting GJ to come. Just to remind you again and again, we are all speculators in the market. Don't be too hard on yourself. This way I'll take my first take profit. Then for the other profit, I'll let it push to the farthest end, okay? For this, you can choose, it depends on how you trade. I'll just book partials at first TP. Then for the second TP, I book full TP, right? As usual, let me check the risk to reward ratio. So if the market decides to come and tap us in, we are losing $50. Oh, sorry, we are losing 50 pips. Our stop loss is 50 pips away, and our TP is 297 pips. That's a very good risk to reward ratio, because that's more than 1:5. 1:5 point something. I like it when I take trades which are 1:3 and above, not less than that. If a trade is 1:2, I don't take that. I just let it play out. But anything 1:3 and going above, I'm always in, okay? It's such a nice thing. It's such a nice risk to reward ratio. So also don't come, I don't like it when I teach people who are lazy. I taught you guys on one of the videos how to calculate lot size. Kindly, please make sure you calculate your lot size. Stop loss is 50 pips away. Then take profit is 297 pips away, okay? Also make sure you apply proper risk management by calculating your lot size, being realistic, and we allow the market to do its thing, okay? So thanks a lot for watching the video till this point. Let's meet on my next one.